Dial 1 Sonshine Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning has provided over 30 years of solid, caring service. We are an environmentally friendly contractor, specializing in the installation and repair of plumbing, heating, and air conditioning units. Also offering sewer and drain cleaning, as well as air duct cleaning, with all work guaranteed. What sets us apart from our competitors is you okay the price before we begin the work. For same-day service or to schedule your maintenance, call Dial 1 Sonshine Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning today.